Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to clear watch history on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, then tap on menu option and click on settings. Then scroll down and tap on activity log. Just click, swipe left, tap on video watch it, show your all history. Just tap on three dot option and delete. Just tap on clear video watch history. Just click, then clear. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.